Basically,
Does she have a court order?
Basically, because there is an open case, an open investigation, the kids are still kind of under their.
That has nothing to do with me.
Sir.
It doesn't have anything to do with us. If it does, show paper.
Sir.
She could go across the street.
She just needs to check the kids, where the kids are living.
No, she doesn't.
Yes, she does. That's what she does.
Here's the first pivot. A state worker wants entry into a home and officers back her without a court order. That's not how this works. A request isn't in order. The resident keeps asking the right question. Show the paper. Officers respond with pressure, not law. That's ego, not enforcement, because no warrant is ever articulated. Why it matters? Homes have the highest constitutional protection, so why are they bluffing?
Does she have a court order?
She doesn't have to have a court order.
Yes, she
It's
does.
an open investigation.
Come into my house. She's an employee of the state. She's a government
It
representative.
doesn't work like the police. They have a lot more rights than what we do.
Well, they don't have more rights than the Constitution gives me.
They're going
It
to
has
take-
nothing to do with me.
Listen to me for a second.
It has nothing to do with me.
They're going to end up taking the kids. You know.
Now it escalates into fear tactics. They're going to take the kids. That's a huge claim, and we never hear legal grounds. That's a problem. It sounds like leverage, not due process, because no emergency or exigency is explained. This feels like coercion, not child safety. Why this matters? Intimidation makes people waive rights they legally don't have to. And notice, when challenged, they don't clarify. They double down. Why?
Okay.
It has nothing to do with
All you
me.
got to do is cooperate with them. That's all.
I'm not going to.
Go ask Gail what's going on.
I'm not going to because it has nothing to do with me.
But it does the kids.
It has nothing to do with me and the kids. It has to do with her and the kids and her being neglectful. I don't care.
Regardless of
Have her get a court order and then she can come in. Okay? Have her get it signed by the judge and she can come in. All right?
They're going to end up taking the kids.
No, I know you think that, but you know what? You don't know the law.
I do know the law.
As much as you think you know the law, they can't take my kids.
Yes, they can.
No, they can't. I'm not under investigation.
It has nothing to do with you being under investigation.
Oh yeah, just because my ex-wife is under investigation, they cannot take my kids.
Now it escalates into fear tactics. They're going to take the kids. That's a huge claim, and we never hear legal grounds. That's a problem. It sounds like leverage, not due process, because no emergency or exigency is explained. This feels like coercion, not child safety. Why this matters? Intimidation makes people waive rights they legally don't have to. And notice, when challenged, they don't clarify. They double down. Why?
The welfare of the kids, period. It has nothing to do with the parents.
Yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah,
Just gotta
it
see that
does.
they're safe.
Show
That's a
us
lie.
a piece of paper.
If she really wanted to come in here, she would get a order signed by the judge. Now, right now, I'm being harassed.
You're
I
not
feel
being harassed.
yes, because every day I have to deal with Elkins PD because of her, because my ex-wife.
Maybe you should remove yourself from the situation and make it better.
I did. She's not living here anymore, so it has nothing to do with me.
Okay.
And last time she was here, I was threatened with arrest because I took him to Taco Bell, which is bullshit.
Nate, shut the door. Door. Okay, I'm gonna turn the damn lights so she can't help herself. You want these lights? You want them? Do you want them? Okay. All down. Woo! Yeah. Guess you'd rather do that noise, huh? Rather do that noise? Okay, all lights go bye-bye then. All lights go bye-bye because you can't make that noise. Enough. 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 Ugh.
I can't hear you.
Regardless, I still have to check health and safety. I need to see that image tracker is on him, that the alarms are here, and that there's still the cameras to keep
Or
him safe.
what?
Well, there's an open protective services case, and the children are listed as the victim, so I will file the 30-day, and then we will be in front of the judge. So it's your
Okay, we'll go in front of the judge.
Okay, I'll see you
Because,
at court.
all right.
Thank you.
Hey, what's going on? Could you roll this back one down for me? It's the 10. Sir.
Yep.
Could you roll this back?
Quick clarity. State employees don't outrank the Constitution. Policy isn't law. If child services needs entry, they generally need consent or a court order. Details vary by state. Here, none is shown. The resident is correct to refuse because no lawful basis is articulated. Officers keep saying cooperate, but cooperation is voluntary without legal compulsion. Why this matters? Confusion benefits authority. Knowledge protects you. So why won't they explain it cleanly?
Back window down for me because the 10. The back one, I can't see through it. I don't know if anybody's sitting in the back, that's it. Just roll the back window down for me real quick. Is there anybody in the back of your car? I can't see through it. I don't really feel comfortable walking past it. Is there anyone in the back of your car, sir? Sir. It's just a yes or no. Is there anyone in the back of your car? I see your hands. You're good. I'm not worried about it. I just can't see through your window. That's it. Because the tent's too dark. Okay. What's going on, man? Is there anyone in the back of your car? Is there anyone in the back of your car? I'm actually, the only reason for the stop, it's an investigative stop, just dodged me 3 times. I was traveling behind you on 85, and you pulled off in front of me, and as soon as I was behind you, you turn off, and then get immediately behind me, and we go all the way down to the BP there. You pull off in the BP, as soon as I'm behind you, turn around, come back northbound, go 314, and then you dodge me another time. So that's the only reason to stop. You got your license on you? Is there any reason why you were driving in that maneuver or in that way? Or I see your hand, kid. Was there any reason you were driving in that way, sir? 12:45. Copy it. 27. You're good, man. It's just an investigatory stop. We're allowed to do that. Articulable reasonable suspicion. 056-214-433. Repeating 056-214-433. I assume you're the registered owner of the vehicle. Do you just not like being around police? I mean, that's pretty valid. I mean,
29 valid, Charles Mike regular out of Columbus.
Is that your current address, Columbus? I don't know. Are you from Columbus or Morrow? Sir? You alright, man? Oh, you can talk, dude. You're not in no trouble, man. You're good. You can talk to me. I see you got your hands out. You're good, bro. I'm just trying to get information from you. He's not talking. That's it. You don't have to talk to me, but everything's good on his license. Everything's good on the vehicle. I just couldn't get past the back window. He didn't want to roll down because I couldn't see the tent. There's nobody in there, I don't think. But that's the only reason for the stop. Just let you the way you were driving multiple times. So that's all I was trying to figure out. Why you were driving in that manner.
Then we jump to a traffic stop and watch the wording. Investigative stop. You dodged me. That's vague. Reasonable suspicion needs facts, not vibes. This is where word games start, because the officer keeps fishing for conversation while admitting nothing's wrong. Silence is treated like suspicion. Why this matters? If avoidance equals RS, everyone's detainable. So what exactly justified this stop legally?
Right?
After I get my things out of the truck.
Okay, so we will find out from them. They may want the keys.
Stop trying to be smart, man. Stop trying to be smart. You ain't smart.
Okay,
Y'all just need to get out of my way. Let me get my things. Throw it on the street like you're asking me to do.
You're not going to go down this year. You're not going to do the same this year.
Y'all see what he's saying?
How much stuff do you have in the car?
A lot.
Traveling stuff, blankets, pillows, all that?
I got everything in that truck, man. My life.
Okay. In the back too, or just in the front? Like, does it have a sleeper in the back?
Yes.
Okay. All he wants back is his truck and his keys.
That's fine. I'm just trying to get my stuff out now.
Okay.
Now, the ID threat, if you don't give ID, we can arrest you, that's not universally true. It varies by state and context. That statement is dangerously misleading because detention alone doesn't always trigger ID requirements. Eventually, it de-escalates, but damage is done. What should happen next? Complaints, public records requests, supervisor review. Know this, requests aren't orders. Like, subscribe, and credit the original source.
Like it seems like y'all are threatening me,
No,
man.
nobody's threatening you. How can we do this peacefully where you can get your stuff?
Move and let me get my stuff out of the truck.
Okay, the only reason why we're not going to just allow you to go in by yourself is we don't know what's in there.
That's
I'm not going to.
That's not going to work, man.
Okay, I'm telling you what's going to work.
You got to
So
call.
we're
You got to
gonna-
call somebody else.
gonna
You got to
assist-
call your superior here.
Right here. We're going to.
Okay. He's harassed me from the get-go. Okay. Asking me for my ID when he has no probable cause to ask me for ID. Okay. This guy's mad because I'm not talking to him the way he wants me to talk to him. Now he's mad because I'm talking to him the way I'm talking to him.
How do we want to settle this?
I just want to get in the truck, get my things out now that I'm being harassed.
Like your personal belongings?
I got everything in that truck,
What's
and
everything?
and he's trying to make it seem as if I have to give him my ID or he's going to take me to jail.
What's
That's not
everything?
happening. Everybody gets sued.
What's everything?
All my personal belongings,
How
man.
many bags?
I got a lot of stuff in there. I mean,
Well,
just
you're willing to get it all out?
I have to get it out
Yeah.
because it seems that it's as if my truck's getting snatched from me at this very moment.
How do we get you from here to wherever you need to go after that?
I'll figure that out. Nobody's taking me anywhere.
Yeah. We'll figure it out for you.
No, what?
We'll figure it out.
No, I'll figure it out. I'll figure out how
Yeah.
to.
We'll let you figure it out.
Yeah.
So we just come back and let him get his stuff out.
I got my key. I got the keys. If I'm going to enter that truck, that means I can use the keys to get my things out. He don't need my keys.
Final takeaway, none of this required yelling, just clarity. The strongest moments here came from calm refusal and asking for legal basis. That's accountability in real time, because rights only work if you assert them. Why this matters? Silence plus knowledge is powerful. Now your turn. Would you file an internal complaint,
Well,
FOIA the body
You're
cam,
not
or
getting
let
my
it go?
keys and you're not
Drop
getting
your
my
answer
ID,
below.
buddy.
Well, he's a driver. Now, you just contracted to drive that truck?
That's correct.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Let's get your stuff. Yeah?
Now, please move out of my
Yeah,
way.
yeah, yeah.
Golly, dude. Jackass.